YouTubers, I'm coming to you guys with Mesquite's mukbang. I've got hot flame. I have hot flaming Cheetos in here. Hope you guys like, comment, and subscribe to my channel. Winter's sitting here on my table, and she's fussy. I can't. And Imani's right here, but I don't want her to be in the camera because she's not dressed for the day yet. So. I feel like I need to put this on copper something so you guys can see it. Say, you see a book? Just a book or something for me to put my bowl on top of. Just a book or something for me to put my bowl on top of. No, I mean like a thick book.
Like a big book?
Yeah. Sorry.
I don't want to hurt Winter's hand.
Thank you. Alright, it's better. A little better. No, Winter. I'm gonna put her in her playpen. There we go. So yes, I have not been on in a while. I haven't really been watching anybody's videos. I just got back into watching people's videos today. I've just been, I don't know, I just haven't been into it like I should be, and just taking care of the kids, getting the kids back ready, getting Sadie back started and ready for school. But I've been trying to make sure I get videos out. What's wrong, baby?
What, baby?
But yeah.
No?
Alright, I'm drinking Kool-Aid. This is mixed blueberry. I mean, no mixed berry. Instead of blue, because it's, no, blue. But yes. This is, yeah, she's been pretty fussy too. Mine has some mosquitoes too. What's wrong? This is one of my go-to snacks that I love when I have some hot flaming Cheetos put in it. Oh yeah, she's 8 months today. Yay, Winter. I gotta do her 8-month pictures. She wants to touch everything. That's her. Anyway, I should put her inside her little walker, but well, yeah, like I was saying, I ain't been into it. I don't know. But yeah. But if y'all have not tried this, you guys really should. I just put mayonnaise and lime and cheese in this one.
No?
Usually I put like fruit soda or some cayenne pepper whenever I don't put the hot flaming Cheetos in there. Yeah. So this mukbang ain't gonna be long because it's not a whole lot. And yeah, it's not gonna be long. I move this and see if I can. Oh yeah, that's a little bit better. Don't be mean to your sister. I see I colored my onions purple. And not too much new going on, except like I said, you started school. Everybody started school. Money will start school next year. Yay. Winter still got a little bit to go. My oldest is finna turn 10. I'm just getting into the double digits. Winter seems like she's on her way to walking. What else? Winter's eating table food, so she's trying to eat my food right now. What's wrong? What's wrong? What's wrong? Isn't she the cutest? I'm trying to figure out what to do with her right now. Said you finished eating? Come here. Ooh. Put down her exerciser and put her in it, please. Ma'am, I did not put enough Kool-Aid in the cup. Oh my gosh, so good.
There you go.
I have some chicharron, but I don't feel like making any because I have to make I think that's the name of it. I think that's what my husband called it. No, I would have to make pico and stuff to put on there, and I think we need some more mayonnaise. How about you want us to make them a lot around here? What? Oh my god. I wish I could have made more because this is really good, you guys. I mean, I don't know if you can tell by my face that it's really good, but it is really good. So good. Kool-Aid. So good. Excuse me. Alright. Hope you guys really enjoyed this video. I know I had a whole lot of distractions in here, but everyday life, everyday thing. Yeah. if you say to the, if you haven't made it to the end of this video, I need you to comment at the bottom whether you think I should do, excuse me, start back doing vlogs or not. Because I stopped, and I recently been thinking about, you know, maybe getting back into doing it. But, you know, if you have reached the end of this video, you know, comment at the bottom. Thanks for watching.